Same with Japan. Like in all the years I had a student, I'm working for the Japanese sounds. You know what I mean? 'Cause I was the studio where the Japanese sounds preferred to go because it was private. So I'm working for all the Japanese sounds. So Mighty Crown come down the line. You know what I mean? Yeah, me and Mighty Crown were rolling mad deep. I played Mighty Crown at one point in time. I didn't even tell you that. See, I didn't even tell you that. I played like 2 events for them. See, because me and them were so close. I was doing all the studio work. I was switching their dubs onto other rhythms for them. I knew their entire catalog of dubs. And they were trying to break into being more than the hardcore sound and class sound that they are. You know what I mean? So they started taking some quote unquote more like a Sands type event, more midtown to uptown type events. And I remember they went to one, see? And me and Chin was mad close, still close, see? And yo, it must forward. It was like, yo, Lee, just forward. Sammy T went, and Ninja went, see? And it was like, Lee, just forward anyway, man. You know the promoter them, yo, rather than we go deal with them, yo, just forward. See, then I went with them. Now when they went, they kind of got lost, see, in the dance, see? And I don't know who suggested it, but somebody said, yo, Lee, you go play. And the second round, I played. You see me coming all the dub them. You know what I mean? And I played and Sammy did mic. I played that song like twice. Me and them was mad close. It's them carrying me go Japan. And we toured Japan. Tokyo, Okinawa, Osaka. Toured the whole of Japan with them. You know what I mean?
When they were in Jamaica, was their office close to yours?
No, this is before they had an office. This is before they had an office. You see me? So yeah, I mean, as them land, them call me like, Lee, so what's the word? Like when we have a link, who we have a voice this week, blah, 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 etc., etc. You know what I mean? Like mad close.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.